So we're currently at IFA 2019 and we gotta check out Asus's ProArt StudioBook One. Now, the lineup itself is aimed at creatives wanting to carry their workstation around, so it's no surprise that it's been packed with some insane processing power. In fact, the lineup is the world's most graphically powered lineup of laptops. There's essentially the 15-inch ProArt StudioBook One that we checked out, and the 17-inch ProArt StudioBook Pro X. Aside from these, the lineup has a wide range for each person's needs and budgets, and we've detailed their exact specifications on our website, so do check that out. But back to the ProArt StudioBook One, this thing offers workstation grade power. You get Nvidia's Quadro RTX 6000 flagship graphics card that comes with more CUDA power and tensor cores. There's Intel's 9th generation 9980HK in there and 32GB of GDDR4 RAM. What this means is that you can even edit 8K video or work on complex CAD designs from the comfort of your local coffee shop. Now, while it does give you all of this and quite a nice aesthetic to be honest, don't mistake this machine for being lightweight, because at 2.9 kilograms and the design being top heavy, carrying it around in one hand is a bit out of question. All around the device you find quite an underwhelming amount of ports, to be honest. There's 3 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports with DisplayPort 1.4 and the power input. Now, seeing as most of us will be using this machine for editing on the go, you will need to carry around at least one dongle to expand on that selection, with maybe a USB-A port or an SD card reader. The top half of the device also houses the display. It's a 4K 15-inch LED panel with anti-glare properties and 100% Adobe RGB coverage. It's also Pantone verified for good color accuracy properties and comes protected with Gorilla Glass 5. For a setup on the move, it's everything you'd want, and it even has a front HD webcam on the bezel. The keyboard and touchpad is a much lighter affair compared to the top of the device. You're looking at a chiclet style keyboard with a power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. It's a precision touchpad on the front that also supports things like Windows gestures. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more IFA coverage coming up. This was Vaibhav and Daanesh at the show floor, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios!